I think the study of Buddhism is important for two reasons, both for those who are Buddhist and who are not Buddhist. For a Buddhist, of course, the very reason they become Buddhist is that they saw some benefit in it. So then it's not enough just to show initial interest and then not to understand the deeper philosophy. So they should study, they must study. And even for those who are not Buddhists, as you rightly mentioned, today we can study so many different subjects. So there also we can ask, why study engineering? Why study science? Then everybody say, oh, from there I'll get a job, from there I will learn this skill, their technique and so forth. But to make a long story short, most of the studies that we have today in the world is primarily related to external material studies. And Buddhism is focused on internal development. Sometimes I call it mind management. The greatest difficulty that we are facing today is not so much about just material, poverty, but it's primarily mental poverty. So unless you know how to manage your mind through meditation or mind training, whatever you want to call it, unless you know that, then doesn't matter you are very rich or whatever, but each and every individual is bound to happen this or that problem through one's life's journey. And at that time, if you have no inner resources, then your material resources will not come to help you. So therefore, at the end of the day, whether you like it or not, the most important thing is training the mind.